Hello, my name is Pastor Niral Patel. As adults, we spend the majority of our lifetime at work. And this is obviously going to lead to some sort of disagreement or drama at work. This is because we're in such close proximity with our work colleagues over a long period of time, and it's coupled with the pressures we may be under to get the job done. This can obviously lead to high emotions, which can lead to disagreements. One of the ways to overcome this is to remember karma. Now, the situation you're in at the moment is due to the karmic results of something that you've done in the past or even in previous lifetimes. When you understand this, you actually take ownership of the situation. This is because the way that you react is not something external. It's not something that's been put onto you by the other person that you have a disagreement with, but is actually due to the results of your own actions. At the same time, you remember that the way that you react in that particular situation is going to lead to what will happen to you in the future. For example, if you react negatively in that particular situation, you're going to have to face negative consequences in a similar sort of situation in the future. The key here is to stop reacting negatively. And in order to do that, you need to understand what triggers you to do so. This is actually due to our emotions, our emotional responses to what's going on. And in particular, the negative emotions that we go through when we're in these situations. So for future situations, after you have analyzed your own emotions, you know when they're arising within a particular situation and you're able to stop them before they lead you to react negatively. Coupled with this, you need to understand that people may perceive you being differently than what you yourself think. For example, you may think of yourself as being professional, but your work colleagues may think of you as being standoffish. When you understand this, your actions will change because you're now aware of how you're being perceived by other people and can understand the situations you face from their perception of you. So the key here is to understand karma and understand your emotions. Being in a bad mood will lead to bad results. You're not going to be harmonious if you're in a bad mood. Being in a good mood, however, will lead to better harmony within the team, which will lessen the drama at work. I wish you well in understanding karma and understanding your negative emotions, which will lead to better harmony at work. I'm Pastor Niral Patel. I hope this helps.